Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to download Teamspeak for free, no virus, it's officially everything, it's clean, and yeah. Go type in Teamspeak 3, search, you go to first link, this is first link, and then after that, if you have 32 you download this one, if you have 64 you download this one. So I have 64, I download 64. And after the download is finished, launch from here, click on yes. Now you're gonna wait a little bit this setup, and yeah, Teamspeak is pretty good program for communicating while you're gaming, or and it doesn't take up that much RAM. And go next. Now you have to go to scroll down, and here you have to scroll down here till the end and then accept. Next, if you are using just you, just click here. If you for everyone, just click there. Okay, next. Okay, this can be next. If you have this ticked, please untick this, so you don't want this. I mean, if you want you can, but I don't want. Now just wait to install, and that will be pretty much it. You are ready to go. So yeah, see a second that's happening here. Okay, run, finish, and that should be it. Now you go connections, you can go to, you had to go down, accept this. Okay, this doesn't matter. You can make account if you want. You can, without account, to use Teamspeak is no problem. Call connections, connect, and here you can type in your name, and then here is the IP address. For example, you use this one. A friend of you is giving you and then the server, and then you just join the server. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If I helped you, please subscribe, of course, and see you in my next video. Thank you.